friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Brazi Bites breakfast sandwich in the air fryer. So no need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. So let me open up the package. And let me take out the air fryer basket, and I will take the sandwich apart. So I'm just going to put bread separately. And now let's put the filling on top of one of the breads. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this breakfast sandwich. It's perfectly toasted and totally cooked inside. It looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So just top it with the other bread, and it's ready. Look at that, perfect. And I can just cut it so you can see that it's fully cooked inside. Nice, toasted bread and perfectly cooked filling. Delicious. Now let's try it. Yummy, so good. You're going to love toasting those frozen sandwiches in the air fryer. It's so easy and tastes amazing, and the bread is so crispy and the filling is perfectly cooked. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!